So today I'm going to be touring another amazing property right behind me, and it's actually a 2-bedroom house and it's fully finished. And guys, it's going for just 450,000 Ghana cedis. Like, imagine getting a house for 450,000 Ghana cedis in Ghana, and it's located at Crispo City in Kaswa, and it's not far from the main road as well. So we're going to be touring the house and everything. So let's get right into the tour. So you have this gate right here, very strong gate as well. So it leads you inside the house. And actually inside so has been done everything, like the whole compound is styled. You have this nice lighting on the wall, this exterior lighting, making the house look very nice. And you also have your window here as well, and your door here as well. So this door takes you inside the house. So you have 2 entries inside. You have this door, and it's actually a security door, so it's very strong. And you also have this windows too, and the windows to have burglar proofs inside, so you don't have any problem when it comes to security. And now this part takes you inside the house. So when you come here, you also have this door right here. So this door is also a security door, really strong, so you don't have any problem when it comes to security. Now let's enter the house. Yes, so you have this nice living room. First, you realize that there's a burglar proof here with your windows, so you don't need to worry about security. So yes, that's for the window. And you also have these nice doors as well, which are also really strong. So the doors in the house are actually very strong as well. And this side is your living space, which is actually really big. And your TV is going to be somewhere here, your decoder here, your chairs are going to be here as well, your curtains here and everything. So you have a window here, right here. You also have another window there. They also come with burglar proofs too, so you don't have any problem when it comes to security. So that's for the living room. So now we are going to go straight to the kitchen. So when you walk here, you have your kitchen at your right. You have one room here. You also have another room here as well. So this is your kitchen, and the kitchen is actually very modern as well, very unique. You have your cupboard where you can store all your cooking utensils and anything. You have where your microwave is going to be, your kettle. You also have this cupboard as well. So in case you have a lot of things, in case you're into cooking and anything, you don't have any problem. And I also like the design of the wall as well. It's actually really unique, and it's not a wallpaper too, it's a proper design which has been done. And you also have this door which takes you right to the house. In case you don't want to come from the hall, you can actually use this door that takes you right into the kitchen. So yes, and you have your sink here and your stove here as well. This is actually a modern stove as well, which is actually really unique. So right from the kitchen, you are going to go straight to the first bedroom, which is actually here. So you have this nice door that takes you to the first bedroom, also a very strong door as well. Yes, so this is your first bedroom, and it's actually really spacious, like very spacious. So your bed is going to be here, your TV somewhere here, your curtains here. You also have a window here with a burglar proof as well. You also have another window giving you proper ventilation, and your cupboard is going to be somewhere here. You have your fan and your AC here as well. So when you come here, you go straight to the bathroom. So all the 2 rooms are all en suite. So when you are going to the bathroom, you have this nice glass design door, which is actually pretty cool. And what I like about this room is that the bathroom is really big, like very big. So when you walk into the bathroom, you have your shower right here, which is very spacious. You have this modern sink, and you also have this nice mirror as well. And you also have a small window here to give you proper ventilation alongside this window here. And you also have your toilet here. And I also like the wall design of it. The tiles are really unique. So that's for the bathroom. And there's also a nice heater here as well. So in case you don't want to use cold water or anything, you can actually use a heater which is already installed for you. So that's actually pretty cool as well. Yeah. And it's actually pretty spacious as here. So your bed is going to be here, and an AC as well. So yeah, you also have your bathroom right here, and the bathroom is actually really nice. You have your mirror here, your sink, your toilet and everything, and the tiles of the bathroom are also really unique as well. So here is also your shower, which is also really nice. Okay, so another unique thing about this property is that there's a property right next to it, which is going for a price of 250,000 Ghana cedis. It's actually uncompleted, but then you can decide to buy it and develop it yourself. So when you buy this and this, both will go for a price of 700,000 Ghana cedis, but then it's negotiable. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the contact details in the description. So you guys can call it. I mean, make your budget, because trust me, this house is actually cheap for a house in Ghana now. And for this one too, is going for a price of 450,000 Ghana cedis. But then it's also negotiable. So if you're interested, just call the number. And if you are fans of real estate, make sure as always you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.